Hello everyone, I am Kajal Jha, lecturer in Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. Today's topic is how to solve any Boolean equation by using the K-map and how we can put the values in K-map. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so representation of standard SOP form on K-map. This can be done by simply entering ones in the cells, that is nothing but the boxes of the K-map corresponding to each mean term present in the equation. The remaining cells or boxes are filled with zeros. So for example, if we represent this equation, okay, if we represent this equation, that is y is equal to a bar, y is equal to a bar b bar c bar plus a bar b bar c plus a b bar c plus a b c bar plus a b c, then how we can plot or how we can minimize that, how we can represent that equation using the K-map. The given expression is in the standard SOP form. Each term represents the mean term. We have to enter ones in the boxes corresponding to each mean term. Means what? We have to put here three variables are present. Okay, if you see here, that is a, b and c, there are three variables. So the number of boxes or number of cells in the K map, that is nothing but 2 to the power 3, that is 8. Okay, so 8 boxes are present or 8 cells are present in the K map. So we have to just put ones in the cells where these terms are present. Okay, where these terms are represent. So first, a bar b bar c bar, here we use the capital here we use the alphabets. So in a K map, we use here, instead of 0 0 then 0 1, we use b c bar. Okay, b c bar, then b bar c, b c, then b c bar. Okay, a bar and a, instead of 0 and 1. Okay, because here the equation is in the form of ABC, not in the form of M3. Okay, that is nothing but not in the form of mean terms. So here we write that ABC. So a single, here a single, that is that represents 0 and 1. 0 means a bar and 1 means a. Then b and c. Okay, BC, that is 0 0, then 0 1, 1 1 and 1 0. So first equation is, first term is, okay, so first term is a b bar c bar. So a bar is present here. Okay, a bar is present here and b bar and c bar. So we write 1 in that box. Okay, so we write 1 in that box. Second term is a bar. So we see in that row, that is a bar. Then next is b bar c bar. Where is b bar c bar is present? This is b bar c bar. So we will put 1 over here. Then a, then we, now we see this row. Okay, now we see this row. So a, then b bar c bar, again it is b bar c bar, then we will put 1 here. Then next a b c bar, that is first is a, so we will notify that row a, and b c bar, b c bar means this last row, so we put 1 here. Again a b c, we will see again this row. Okay, and bc means this row, so this is in, so we will put 1 here. And the term is means y is equal to this term is represented by 1. Okay, each term is represented by 1. Then the remaining boxes are filled with zeros. Okay, the remaining cells or boxes are filled with zeros. Each cells, okay, these cells shows that here a bar b bar c bar, a bar b bar c. Okay, this is the terms. Okay, one shows that terms. Now plot the following Boolean expression in K map. Now here it is a 4 variable. that is A, B, C and D. So 4 variables are present. So the boxes are 16s, that is cells are 16 cells are present. So A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar. So AB is here and CD is here, and here C bar, D bar, then C bar, D, then CD and CD bar, then A bar, B bar, A bar, B, A, B and A bar, A, B bar. Okay, so first A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar. So here is A bar, B bar and here C bar, D bar. So put 1 here. Okay, now A bar, B bar, C, D. First is A bar, B bar, then C, D, then put 1 here. Then A bar, B, C, D bar, A bar, B is here. Okay. Then C, D bar, C, D bar is here. So 1 is present here. A, B, C bar, D bar, A, B, C bar, D bar. So 1 is present here. So this in this way we can plot or we can represent a standard SOP form on K map. Means what? Simply we have to enter ones, okay, in the cells of the K map corresponding to each mean term, in the equations. Okay, each mean terms in the equations, and and remaining cells. Okay, and remaining cells are filled with zeros. Okay, that is nothing but the representation of SOP form. Now way of grouping, how we can because after a representation of a SOP form on a K map, there is a second, that is grouping. Okay, way of grouping, we have to we have to group that cells, and we have to make that equation in a simplified convert into that equation into simplified equation. So while grouping, we should group most number of ones and zeros. So the grouping follows the binary rule. We can group 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Okay, that numbers we can group, but the number of ones, okay, that number of ones and zeros we can group, and the number of ones and zeros, what, it may be 1, it may be 2 numbers of two number of ones, it may be 4 ones, it may be 8 ones, 32 ones, okay, 16 ones. Okay, then we cannot group 3, 5, 6. Okay, we cannot group 3 ones or 5 ones or 7 ones. Okay, that type of grouping is not we can't do in the K map. So pair, a group of 2 adjacent ones or zeros is called as pair. Okay, so there is a way to grouping or pair. First is pair. So pair means there is only 2 adjacent cells. Okay, 2 adjacent cells are grouped together. So this is called as pair. Only 2 numbers, that is it may be ones or it may be zeros. So if you see here, there is a 1 is here and second one is here, then we can pair that numbers. Okay, if remember, if 1 is present here, okay, and this one is present here, then we can also group that portion. Okay, likewise. Okay, here we represent that is 1 and 1. Okay, likewise we can group also that. Again, like this grouping, okay, we can group this, but we cannot group if here 1 is present and here 1 is present, we cannot group like this. We group only the adjacent ones. Okay, only the adjacent one. So this is wrong. So this is, we can add group this adjacent two ones, then here these adjacent two ones we can group. Now next is quad. Quad means a group of 4 adjacent ones or 0. Quad means 4, a group of 4 ones or a group of 4 zeros. If you see here, there is a group of 4 ones, there is a total number of 1 is 4, then here we can group that like. Okay, that is here 1 1 and here 1 1. Okay, again we can group here, that is nothing but the quad, and we can group also that part, that is adjacent cells. Okay, so this is the grouping of 4 adjacent ones and zeros, it is called as chord. And we start the pairing from maximum number, that is nothing but, if I will discuss, okay, later. First we will see octet. Octet is nothing but the 8 adjacent ones or zeros, okay, called as octet. This is the pairing, this is the octet pair or octet group, and this is 4 ones here and 4 ones there. Then again this is the octet pair, and again this is the octet pair, okay. So that type of grouping, 8 adjacent ones and zeros are called as octet, and 4 adjacent ones and zeros are called as quad, and 2 adjacent ones and zeros are called as pair. So like that we can grouping the K-map. Okay, then next rules follow for the K-map simplification. First we take first we what we do, first we represent the equation on K-map. Then second, what we do, pairing, that is pairing, grouping of the shells. Then the last one is the rules followed for a K-map simplification. Okay, here groups may not includes any cell containing a zero. Okay, we cannot form this type of group, that is one is zero and one is one. Okay, we cannot we cannot include the any cell containing the zero. So here if one, then here is also one is present. Okay, if it is single grouping. Okay, we can't group with a one zeros. Okay, then this is right, if here is a one is also present and here is a one present. Then second group may be horizontal or vertical but not diagonal. Okay, I will discuss previous, that is this type of group is not possible. Okay, this type of group is not possible because groups may be horizontal or vertical, it is not a diagonal. Okay, this type of grouping is possible. Okay, there is a one pair and again is one pair. So you have to pair maximum number, means if the possibilities of octet, if possibilities of octet group, then first you have to find the octet. Okay, first you have to group the octet ones. Okay, that is 8 ones. Then you see the 4 ones, then 2 ones, and then single. Okay, you don't start from single. Okay, first you have to pair with a large number, that is 16, then 32, 8. Okay, that type of number. So third is the group must contain 1 2 4 8, or in a general 2 to the power n cells. So identify the largest possible group first. Okay, whichever I discuss here, that is if n is equal to 1, a group will contain 2 to the power 1, that is 2 ones. Okay, if n is equal to 2, a group will contain 2 to the power 2, that is 4 ones. So possible number of groups here, the 2 groups. Then here group of 3. Okay, group of 3 is wrong because we can't take a 3 5 7 like that. Okay, we only take 1 2 4 8 or 2 to the power n. Okay, that is 2, then 4, then 4 8, then 16, then 64, then 32. Okay, like that. Then here is a group of 4, that is nothing but chord. But we can't take this group of 4. Okay, this group of 4 and again this group of 4 and this. Okay, this is wrong. If you group like that, then it is right. Okay, if this is what, this is the pair. Okay, this is like that. Okay, this is wrong. But if you pair like that, that is 4 ones. Okay, and then this pair, then it is right. Okay, first you pair 4 and then pair 2, that is 2 combinations or 2 groups are forms, then it is right. Okay, then now fourth one, that is each groups should be as large as possible and may even overlap each other. Okay, that is if here 4 ones are there, then you can use that 2 ones here for forming the chord. Okay, then here instead of like this, okay, 2 2 pair, जैसे मैंने बोला आपको पहले ही कि हमें मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ वंस को क्या करना है, ग्रुप करना है. मीन्स चाहे वो 16 नंबर हो, चाहे वो 32 नंबर्स का हो, या 8 16 या फिर 4 नंबर का हो. हमें पेयरिंग से मतलब पेयर करने की वजह से क्या होगा कि अगर हम जितना ज़्यादा पेयरिंग करेंगे, मतलब जितना बड़ा नंबर का पेयरिंग करेंगे, उतना ही इक्वेशन मिनिमाइज होगा. अगर आप इस 3 की बात करोगे और इस 2 की बात करोगे, तो क्या होगा कि यहाँ पे तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा कि सिर्फ 2 इक्वेशन फॉर्म होंगे, ओनली 2 इक्वेशंस आर फॉर्म, बट हियर 3 इक्वेशंस फॉर्म एंड दिस इक्वेशंस आर लार्ज इन मीन्स लार्ज इसमें रहेगा ये इक्वेशन, और ये मिनिमाइज रहेगा, ये सिंप्लीफाइड वर्जन में रहेगा, ये सिंप्लीफाइड वर्जन में नहीं रहेगा. आपको इसे फर्दर वी हैव टू सिंप्लीफाई दैट 3 equations. Okay, so you have to choose, that is each group should be as large as possible. So each fifth one, each cell containing a one must be इन एटलीस्ट वन ग्रुप. ओके, तो ये जो सिंगल का जो ग्रुप है एटलीस्ट वन, मतलब ये सिंगल का जो ग्रुप है वो अगर कभी बाई चांस आ रहा है तो ठीक है, नहीं तो अगर वो पॉसिबल किसी से पेयर हो रहा है तो उसे आपको पेयर करना है, उसे ऐसे ही सिंगल नहीं रखना है, क्योंकि सिंगल रखने की वजह से इसका इक्वेशन बड़ा हो जाता है. क्योंकि हमें हम यहाँ पे किसी को भी मीन्स कैंसिल आउट नहीं कर सकते, हमें वो इक्वेशन लेना ही होगा. तो हम क्या करेंगे, अगर ये सिंगल सिंगल करने से अच्छा अगर हम इसे इसके साथ पेयर कर देंगे तो फिर ये इक्वेशन क्या हो जाएगा, राइट हो जाएगा. ओके, ये इस तरह से अगर करेंगे तो ये रॉन्ग है. अगर मैं जिस तरह से मैंने यहाँ पे किया था, ओके, जिस तरह से ये पहले से किया हुआ है वो रॉन्ग है, लेकिन अगर हम इस तरह से इसे करेंगे तो ये राइट होगा. ओके, 2 का पेयर करके अगर हम करते हैं तो ये राइट होगा, और यहाँ पे ये राइट है. ओके, ये 4 का ग्रुप यहाँ पे किया है और ये 4 का यहाँ पे ग्रुप किया है, तो ये राइट है. ओके, दिस इज़ द रूल्स फॉलोड बाय फॉर अ के मैप सिंप्लीफिकेशन. ओके, सो के मैप सिंप्लीफिकेशन, SOP एक्सप्रेशन, मिनिमाइजेशन प्रोसीजर. स्टेप 1 क्या है, प्रिपेयर a K-map and place ones according to the given truth table or logical expression and fill the remaining boxes with zeros. Okay, हमने देखा पहले. Then step 2, identify the ones which can be combined to form a pair, then quad, octet and encircle with them. Step 3, locate the isolated ones, that is the ones which cannot be combined with any other pair, quad, octet, encircle such a ones. Okay, so step 4, after identifying the pairs, quads and octets, check if any one that is yet to be encircled. If yes, then encircle them for or with the already encircled ones by means of overlapping. Okay, then step 5, now write down the expression for the encircled ones. Solve the expression using Boolean theorems and De Morgan's theorems to get the minimize expression. Then step 6, that is implement the minimize expression using logic gates. Okay, if the equation is like that, for example, you have mean terms, that is summation of mean terms 1 3 5 9 11 13. Then first we have to draw that type of, okay, if, because here here how you can choose the number of shells. Okay, how you can choose the number of shells, because here the maximum number is what, 13. So this 13 is not include in, if we take the 3 variables, then there is a shells are only 8 and numbers from 0 to 7 only, right? But if we take 4 variables, that is inputs, that is a 4 number of inputs, then the number of combinations or number of shells are 16. Okay, number of shells are what, 16. So 13 is included here from 0 to 15. Okay, 13 is included in 0 to 15. So we have to take the K-map of size 16. Okay, size 16. So we have to take the K-map of size 16. So here we take 16 size K-map. Okay, and first we have to place here 0 0, then 0 1 1 0. Okay, so here, okay, here 0 0 0 1, then 1 1 and 1 0, then again 0 0 0 1 1 1 and 1 0. Here we take the random letters, that is A B C D P Q R S. Okay, you choose any letter, that is 4 letters or 4 alphabets variables of your choice. So first number is 1, so we have to first place here 0 1 2 3. Okay, we have to see we okay, so if you draw here, wait, if you see here boxes, then how we can put that 1 3 5 9 11 and 13. So for that you have to write that 0 1 2, sorry, 2 3, then 4 5 6 and 7, then 8 9 10 and 11, then 12 13 14 and 15. This type of number you have to place first in a uh, in in that portion. Means if this one cell, then you have to write that number over here, that is 0 1 2 3 4, like that. Okay, after that you have to this is easy to put this number on that value. So first is 1, where is 1 here, so 1. Where is 3 here, so 3. Where is 5 here, then where is 9, okay, so 9 is here. Where is 11, 11 is here. Okay, where is 13, 13 is here. Okay, so like that you can place the numbers easily. Okay, you can place the number easily. So first you have to draw like that. Means if the 16 number is 16 number table, then first you have to write that 0 1 2 3 in a in that box. Okay, then 3 2 3, sorry, 2 3, then 4 5 6 7. Okay, then here 8 9 10 11, okay, 12 13 14 and here 15. Approximate that 1, where is 1, here is a 1, then on the place of 1 you put 1, then 3, on the place of 3 you put 3. Okay, on the place of 3 you put 3. Then okay, we will put here on the place of 3. Okay, and the place of 1 you put 1, on the place of 3 you put 3. Then 5, where is 5, okay, here is 5. Then 9, where is 9, here 9 11, okay, then 13, and here is 13. Okay, this type of your map is going on. Okay, sorry, here is 13 is here, not there. Okay, 13 is here. So that type of map is like this. Okay, you have to put the numbers like that. Then you have to group that number. Okay, after that pairing is here. If you see that there is a 4 number pair, so we will draw this quad pair. Okay, if you see that here you will pair that number, but if you see that the two numbers are adjacent here. Okay, there is 2 and here is 2, so we also make the quad. So now write the equation according to that. And how we can write the equation? So first pair is this, okay, and second pair is this. Okay, this is the second pair. Then first pair is this. Then you have to find out in a which column it is present, that is C bar D bar. So we have to first write C bar D bar. Again you have to check any number is common in A bar B bar, A bar B, then A B and A bar A B bar. No, there is a no number common. Common means what? 0 is present in a first, then it is present in here also. Okay, first and second place. If 0 is present here, then on a only second place present 0 is present in a all four rows. Okay, all four rows, but it is not possible because here if you see 0 1 0 1 is there, here also 0 0 1 1 is there, so no common combination here. So the equation for these four quad so equation of this pair is nothing but C bar D bar. Okay, if you see here there is C bar D bar. Then for this part, this quad, what is the equation? Okay, what is the equation for this? So if you see this quad, okay, then what is the equation for this? Here two rows, A bar A B bar and A bar B bar. So what is the common in that? B bar is common, so take B bar. Okay, because B bar is common here, because here A bar and here A, so A is not common, but B bar is common, so take B bar. Okay, then in two rows, sorry, in two columns, what is common? C bar D bar and CD means what is common here? D is common, so take D. Okay, so equation is what? C bar D plus B bar D. Okay, this is the equation. If you see here D is common here, then D take a outside, and here the equation is B bar plus C bar. Okay, this is the final equation. You have to take an when the you make a pair, then you have to check any number is or any letter is common in a 4, or you just if you take a pair, then you have to see the any letter or any variable is common in a both, or in four. If you take a octet, then in 8 lines or in 8 rows or in 8 columns, there is any number is common in a, on in a all 8 rows, then you have to. But it is not possible, because in a 8 rows there is a no zeros and no ones are common, because there is a 4 times 0 and 4 times 1, so there is a no combination or no common taken out. So we will only place, or we will only take that rows variable or that columns variable only, like that we will take only C bar D bar, C bar D. Okay, only that row, not that column. Okay, not that only take a column, not that row. Okay, sorry. So like that you have to simplify the K map using this. Okay, now don't care condition. Why, when we use the don't care condition, and what is mean by the don't care condition? For SOP form, we enter ones corresponding to the combinations of input which produce a high output, and we enter zeros in the remaining cells of the K map. But for the POS form, okay, but for the POS form we enter zeros instead of ones. Okay, corresponding to the combinations of the input. Okay, according to why we put what? Zeros in the K map. For what? For POS form. And remaining and enters ones in the remaining cells of the K map. So there may be combinations of the input values which will never occur. Okay, if they do occur, the output is a no concern. Output is of no concern. For such a input combinations, it does not matter whether the value of the output is 0 or 1. In such a situation, we are free to assume that it will be 0 or 1. Okay, the function's value for such a combination is called as don't care condition. Okay, so they are denoted by x or minus. Okay, they are denoted by x or this dash. Don't care can be used to simplify the function only. Okay, don't care is used to simplify the function. So how it is used? Okay, treat minimization using don't care. If you see here, there is a don't care. Okay, x is represents don't care condition. Means what? Okay, if okay, treat don't care as if they are ones to generate a pair chord or octet, delete pair chord octet that cover only don't care min terms. Treat the covering of remaining don't care min terms as a optional in the selection process. They may be but need not be. So simplify the given equation. Okay, so Boolean expression using K-map where the don't care conditions are indicated by D. Okay, don't care is always indicated by D in a bracket. So y is equal to summation of m 13, 7, 11, 15, and this is nothing but don't care condition. In on that values you have to put x, that is nothing but don't care, and on that value you have to put ones. Okay, on that value you have to put ones, and D shows the don't care, and M shows the mean terms values. Okay, so in on the K map on the D 0 to 1 you have to put x. Okay, for 2, and for you have to put x. Now after putting the don't care and mean terms values, then pairing is done. Then next step is pairing. Then how we can pair? Here if you see there is two ones, but here xx is present, then we can add or we can take that don't care as a to form a chord. Okay, if you see here there is a only pair is formed if we don't take a don't care conditions, that is xx. But if you find out that कि if you find out मीन्स अगर हमें क्या मुझे क्या कहना है कि अगर हमें कोई पेयर बना रहे हैं हम, तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा कि यहाँ पे 2 का पेयर हो सकता है और उसके बाद ये 4 का पेयर हो सकता है, बराबर। एक तो पेयर फॉर्म होगा और एक क्वाड फॉर्म होगा। लेकिन अगर हम एक्स को नहीं लेते हैं तभी, अगर हम x को नहीं लेंगे तभी ये 2 का पेयर फॉर्म होगा। लेकिन यहाँ पे अगर आप देखो तो क्वाड का फॉर्मेशन होता है अगर हम x कंडीशन को ले तो हमें क्या करना है, उसे लेके हमें क्वाड फॉर्म करना है और इस तरह से हमें पेयर करना है। अभी आप बोलोगे कि इस तरह से भी पेयर हो सकता है, क्योंकि यहाँ पे क्या है, यहाँ पे 1 है, यहाँ पे x है, यहाँ पे 1 1 है, तो इस तरह से भी एक कॉर्ड फॉर्म हो सकता है। लेकिन ये करने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है, क्योंकि ये जो वंस है वो ऑलरेडी इस पेयर में आ चुके हैं। अगर यहाँ पे कुछ 1 एक्स्ट्रा रहता तो हम इसे फॉर्म कर लेते, लेकिन यहाँ पे कोई 1 प्रेजेंट नहीं है। वो जो वंस है वो ऑलरेडी यूज़ में आ चुके हैं। ओके, तो उस तरह से उसके वजह से हम क्या कर सकते हैं, इसे हमें फॉर्म करने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं। अगर आप इस तरह से फॉर्म करते हो तो आपको इसका टू का पेयर लेना होगा, तो वो क्या हो जाएगा, सिंप्लीफाइड इक्वेशन हमें नहीं मिल पाएगा। तो आपको देखना है कि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा हम क्या करें, पेयरिंग करें। तो हम यहाँ पे एक कॉर्ड फॉर्म कर लेंगे और यहाँ पे एक कॉर्ड फॉर्म कर लेंगे, तो पेयरिंग होगी सिर्फ 2 की। देन हाउ वी विल राइट द इक्वेशन फॉर दैट। अभी अगर आप देखोगे तो इसमें कोई भी कॉमन नहीं है, बिकॉज यहाँ पे 0 0 0 1 1 1 और 1 0 है, क्योंकि 1 किसी भी चारों पेयर में 1 नहीं है। ओके, मतलब किसी 2 में ही 1 है, या किसी 1 में ही 1 है, या फिर किसी 3 में ही 1 है। चारों में 1 होने चाहिए, बिकॉज यहाँ पे 0 0 आ गया तो सिर्फ 3 में ही 1 प्रेजेंट रहेंगे। उसके बाद चारों में 1 होने चाहिए, तो यहाँ पे अगर 0 0 है तो चारों में 1 नहीं आ सकता, और चारों में अगर 0 लाना है तो यहाँ पे दोनों 1 1 होने की वजह से चारों में 0 नहीं आ पाएगा। तो हम क्या करेंगे, इसको हटा देंगे। और ये किस रो में प्रेजेंट है, अभी ये जो है वो किस रो में प्रेजेंट है, ए बार बी बार में प्रेजेंट है, तो हम सिर्फ ए बार बी बार को लेंगे। तो ये हो गया इसका इक्वेशन। अभी नाउ वी विल फाइंड द इक्वेशन फॉर दैट। अभी इसमें भी सेम होगा, यहाँ पे कोई कॉमन नहीं आएगा, तो इसे हम छोड़ देंगे ऐसे ही। और उसके बाद सिर्फ इसका जो ये जो कॉलम में प्रेजेंट है जस्ट वो लेंगे। तो सी डी के कॉलम में प्रेजेंट है, तो हमने ले लिया यहाँ पे सी डी। ओके, सो नोट क्या है यहाँ पे, एवरी डोंट केयर मार्क्स नीड नॉट बी कंसीडर्ड वाइल ग्रुपिंग। ओके, तो डोंट केयर का मार्क्स है कि वो हर इसमें, अभी यहाँ पे एक बच गया है तो आपको लगेगा कि ये कहीं पे यूज़ होगा, तो ऐसा नहीं है कि वो यूज़ में आना ही चाहिए। ओके, इफ़ देयर इज़ अ नीड देन यू हैव टू यूज़, देन ओनली यू हैव टू यूज़ द डोंट केयर। ओके, इफ़ using that don't care your equation is simplified, then you have to use that don't care, otherwise it is not necessary. Okay, so next we will see in a similar if you see here, okay, similar you can see के मैप सिंप्लीफिकेशन यूजिंग POS एक्सप्रेशन। सो पॉज के लिए हम क्या कहते हैं यहाँ पे, फॉर पॉज वी व्हाट वी राइट हियर, इंस्टेड ऑफ वंस वी विल राइट zeros and remaining cells are filled out with the ones. Okay, same is grouping is same, and all other things are same, only just you have to write the equation consist of max term. So instead of zeros, one write in a cell, we will write the zeros, and the remaining cells are filled with the 1. So like that we will find for 2 variables, and we add plus here for making the equation. When we pair, and when we make an equation, or when we write an equation for pair or quad or grouping, then we have to write the plus, because it is a product of sum. Okay, so represent, if we take the following equation, then a plus b plus c. So here we write a bar a, then b bar c bar, b bar c, then b c, and b c bar. So here b bar, okay, then plus c bar, then here, okay, that time. So a b c, so first a, then b and c, so b and c. So here we write what, okay, here we write what, okay, each term in the given logical equation is a max term, so enter 0 corresponding to each max term. The given expression has a 3 max term as follows. So first is m0. Okay, first is what, m0, so here it is m0. Then a b bar, so here what, 1, here 0 1 and 0, so it is what, 2. Okay, so it is what 2, so here write here 2, then a bar plus b bar plus c, so it is what 0, it is 1 1 0, that is nothing but 6, that is nothing but 6, so put 0 over here and remaining shells are filled with 1. Okay, so here single pairing are there, so here how we can pair that, पेयरिंग कैसे पॉसिबल होगा, अभी इस तरह से इसकी पेयरिंग हो जाएगी, इस तरह से हम पेयरिंग कर सकते हैं और इस तरह से पेयरिंग कर सकते हो. अभी व्हाट इज़ द इक्वेशन फॉर दैट, सो 0 0 यहाँ पे क्या कॉमन आ रहा है, यहाँ पे 0 कॉमन आ रहा है, तो हम क्या लिखेंगे इसके लिए, दैट इज़ नथिंग बट अ सी. ओके, then c, and what is here a, so it is a, so a plus c. Okay, this is the equation for this. Okay, for this, and what is the equation for this, so it is present in 1 0 row, that is nothing but a b bar plus c. Okay, b bar plus c, and here no one is common because here 0 is present, here 1 is present, so the equation is a plus c into b bar plus c. Okay, this type of equation we get. So here if we take a grouping, okay, find the expression in the POS form for a K map. So this is like that. So if we group here, first we have to represent that, so a b bar c bar, that is means a b bar c bar means what, first is a means 1. Okay, a means what, 0, and b bar and c bar means 1 1. Okay, b bar and c bar means 1 1, so put 0 over here. Okay, again a b bar c, a b bar c, so a is nothing but 0 and b bar c means 1 and 0, so put 0 over here. Okay, and this is the pos expression. So group 2, so group 2 is what, here this is the group 1 and this is group 2, this is the group 1. Group 1 is nothing but a b bar c bar, and this 0 represents what, a bar b bar c bar, that is nothing but here a bar b bar, and 1 1 is represent b bar c bar. Okay, this is the group 2. So simplification, group 1, now we have to take a simplification, a plus ab plus ac plus a b bar plus b b bar plus b bar c plus a c bar plus b bar c bar plus c c bar, but a is equal to what, a. Okay, now we multiply that. Okay, a then whole bracket, after that b then whole bracket, okay, then c and whole bracket. Okay, and after multiplying or after distributing using distributive law, we get that equation. Okay, but you know a is nothing but a plus a is nothing but a dot a is nothing but a, b bar dot b bar is nothing but b. So using that we will simplify the equation, and we get the equation what, a, that is a plus b bar in a bracket 1 plus c bar. Okay, conclusion what, okay, if you see here group 1 is nothing but a plus b bar, the equation is like that, and if we solve that equation then we get only a plus b bar. This is the simplification using the K map. Okay, likewise we will solve this b bar plus c bar. So b bar plus c bar, group 2. Okay, this is b bar plus c bar. Again you have to multiply a with the whole bracket, then b bar with whole bracket, and c bar with whole bracket, then we get what, b bar plus c bar. This is the simplified equation. Okay, so if you see here group 2, a b bar c bar and a b bar c bar remain unchanged. Variable that changes the value, hence it gets eliminated. So in that way we get a simplified equation using the K map. Okay, thank you.